The other thing that sometimes it is overlooked, this is also a radiograph that you have seen earlier. We agreed that these are the nostrils. This is one, and this is the other one. I want you to concentrate on this radiolucent line that passes in the exact center of the palate, and this is the mid-palatine suture. Mid-palatine suture, which connects the two halves of the palate. This appears as if it centers the incisor foramen over here. You see this, the incisor foramen. This is the incisor foramen over here. This line, actually radiolucent line, is a line that is located between the two halves of the palate. And please, sometimes I have seen cases where this line has been interpreted as fracture in the palate. No, before you jump to conclusions, please exclude the possibility of the superimposition of normal anatomical landmarks that are present in the area. The mid-palatine suture is this longitudinal radiolucent line that separates the two halves of the palate into two. It runs in the exact center between the two roots of the upper central incisors. This line, which is see this radio opacity, I just talked about it a while ago. This line that, you know, see this part of the crown, it looks a bit of more radiolucent if you compare it to the remaining 2/3, I would say, of the crown. This area over here, and this is the shadow of the lip. Shadow of the lip. This contrast between the crown, two halves or two-thirds and the 1/3 of the crown has been so many times misinterpreted as hypocalcification, fractures, different things. Actually, simply this is a shadow of lip plus enamel plus dentine. Here, this part. Here, this part, you will see the shadow of enamel, dentine, and air, which is present in the area, and because there is no the air allows more X-ray to pass, then it will simply appear more radiolucent if compared. There is nothing wrong here. Simply, this is a shadow of two different things. One is the lip, and here is no lip.